Reflecting on my journey in my 20s, I can confidently say that taking calculated investment risks paved the path to my financial success. The first significant investment I made was in a diversified stock portfolio. With guidance from financial advisors, and by educating myself through books and online resources, I chose a mix of growth stocks and blue-chip companies. Watching my initial investments grow over time taught me the power of patience and compound interest, reinforcing the importance of starting early in the stock market. Another major leap was investing in real estate. I purchased a small rental property which required a fair amount of research and planning. The idea of generating passive income from rent was exhilarating. Not only did I gain equity in a tangible asset, but I also learned about market trends and property management. This investment laid the groundwork for a future in real estate and served as a valuable income stream while I focused on my career. I delved into peer-to-peer lending next, an innovative investment avenue that appealed to my desire for diversification. By lending small amounts to individuals or businesses in need via online platforms, I received attractive interest rates in return. This experience not only provided monetary gains, but also gave me insights into lending practices and the importance of evaluating risks associated with borrowers. It opened my eyes to the fact that investments do not solely revolve around stocks and real estate. Starting a side business was another venture that yielded surprising rewards. With a passion for digital marketing, I freelanced for local businesses while still maintaining my day job. The initial risks and sleepless nights paid off immensely as I transitioned this side hustle into a source of substantial income, which further fueled my investment activities. This taught me valuable lessons in entrepreneurship and self-discipline, critical components in the journey to wealth. Lastly, I invested in my financial education. Attending workshops and seminars, reading books, and networking with like-minded individuals enabled me to refine my investment strategies. The skills I built have had a lasting impact on my financial journey, leading to informed decisions that continue to pay off. Investing in myself proved to be the most rewarding venture of all.